狂风又巨浪，飓风拉拉强袭夏威夷大岛，带来不小灾情。道路被大水整个淹没，汽车难以行驶。洪水来势汹汹，河流水位暴涨，强力冲刷着桥墩。气象部门对夏威夷岛发布山洪爆发和土石流警告。夏威夷州长葛林也宣布全州进入紧急状态。
It's going to be significant damage. I've already begun the process of starting the paperwork with our team for a major disaster declaration.
所幸拉拉并没有像原先担心的成为155年以来首度登陆夏威夷大岛的飓风，而是从大岛旁边擦身而过。在当地时间周日上午已经降级为热带风暴，不过还是造成不小灾情，多处道路遭到洪水掏空，树路倒塌压垮了电线。夏威夷3大岛屿共有超过13万户家庭断电，至少有3家医院依赖发电机来供电。毛伊岛部分居民也面临断水的问题，至少200个飞机航班取消。后续灾情的复原处理可能还得花上一段时间。东森新闻综合报道。
Nobody knew that an eruption was going to happen in people's backyards. Nobody knew it was going to happen in our lifetime. Nobody knew it was going to happen ever. So, yeah, we lost all of our land.
Yeah, and the fissure opened right in their yard, and I think that's part of their roof or house or something right there. This is just lava that came from the fissure.
So this is a fissure 9?
Yes, this is fissure 9.
前面这个这么大的一个裂缝，里面还可以看到黄色的硫磺，这就是第9号的裂缝。所以说，当时所有的岩浆就从这个裂缝喷出来，所以你看到这里所有的家园都已经毁了。直到现在已经都过了几个月了，还可以看到硫磺，而且现在这个气味非常非常的浓。我有一点不敢相信我现在自己的眼睛。你看他们的房子，你可以看到在这里，现在有用红线特别画出来的都是细缝，而当时的岩浆就是从这些细缝然后喷出来。Oh my god！ 天哪
Yeah, so this was just someone's property.
Yeah.
And the fissure opened right in their yard, and I think that's part of their roof or house or something right there. This is just lava that came from the fissure.
So this is a fissure 9?
Yes, this is fissure 9.
前面这个这么大的一个裂缝，里面还可以看到黄色的硫磺，这就是第9号的裂缝。所以说，当时所有的岩浆就从这个裂缝喷出来，所以你看到这里所有的家园都已经毁了。直到现在已经都过了几个月了，还可以看到硫磺，而且现在这个气味非常非常的浓。然后呢，这是他们的家住宅，后面还有很多房子都已经被岩浆给毁掉了。这里让人不敢相信，曾经是人类的家园。
Believe it before my eyes. So we seen first was cracks open up, steam, a lot of sulfur, then the sound of jet engines, and you see this lava shooting up in the air about like 100 feet high.
伊卡伊卡是雷尼亚社区的居民，他和家族亲戚共100多人全住在这里。
I bought a couple properties in Leilani. That got taken by lava. Nobody knew that an eruption was going to happen in people's backyards. Nobody knew it was going to happen in our lifetime. Nobody knew it was going to happen ever. So, yeah, we lost all of our land.
伊卡伊卡和其他2000多位社区居民紧急撤离之下，虽然保全了性命，但如今一无所有，只能待在临时救难中心维持生活所需。
The eruption was so unpredictable. It will go off for 2 hours, it will stop for 2 hours, and it will go off again for another 2 hours, stop for 2 hours. But when it will stop, it will seize up, then it would move. The eruption would move from another place. Watch people lose their homes, everything that they had, animals, everything, pets. Oh yeah, it's gone. A couple minutes, boom, gone.
火山熔岩流蔓延了35平方公里，相当于6个永和市的面积，而多达5亿立方公尺的岩浆可以填满2600个游泳池，最高还喷到20层楼高，甚至还有熔岩炸弹从天而降。
Had something like 700 earthquakes every day, the largest one of 5, maybe 20 or 30 magnitude 3s. And many other smaller ones for 2 months, 2.5 months. People here had trouble sleeping. It was very stressful, right? Too many earthquakes all the time. Yeah, you start to fall asleep and then, earthquake, and you fall asleep and another earthquake.
地质学家 Philip 为了就近研究基拉维亚火山，特别从南美洲的巴西搬到距离火山口只有几公里的村庄。
This is a place where you can really see the change happen on a human timescale. Right? We're lucky that we were alive during this.
夏威夷群岛共100多个岛屿，基拉维亚火山所处的夏威夷岛就是其中最大的岛，是由连续爆发的5个盾状火山一个个重叠构建而成，也被称为火山岛。曾经就是这样排山倒海的力量造就了夏威夷，但如今创造者也成了毁灭者。
The crater is here, and Leilani is there.
It's on the way, right?
Yeah.
It's on the way.
Right on top.
就在岩浆流的路上。
Leilani was not a surprise because we knew there was a neighborhood on a location where the ground was going to crack open and lava was going to come out for sure. We didn't know when, but we know that it would happen for sure. I've had friends ask me, should I buy a house in Leilani? I tell them, no, don't, because it's going to get covered in lava. During your life, during my life, it's going to happen.
This community built in Zone 1, right?
So people did build in Zone 1.
So why people live here?
Yeah, I can't.
And build houses here.
I imagine that they considered it and decided that they wanted to take a chance.
距离喷发到现在已经好几个月，可以看到在现场还是满目疮痍、触目惊心。而这个社区本来就位处于岩浆会流经的区域，而这些居民依旧还是选择在这里建立家园。而如今现在已经看到全部都被岩浆掩埋过去，而且家园也毁掉了。
夏威夷当地传说，所有的土地都是由一个叫做佩雷的火山女神掌管，她能够创造，也可以随时收回，没有人能真正拥有。
To see this thing die out because, to be honest with you, Hawaii not really a great deal of experience with these systems. In fact, it's been more than 20 years since Hawaii has been hit by a major hurricane.
眼前的景象，你很难相信这里是夏威夷。当地的 Kilauea 火山才刚刚爆发，岩浆蔓延长达3个多月，没想到几乎是史上最大的5级飓风又来报道。夏威夷人们不敢相信，就在这短短几个月，他 他们已经迎接了火山爆发和飓风洪水的侵袭。
就像是开启了骨牌机关，灾难竟然一个个接踵而至。
Volcanoes put out gas, and that gas adds to the gas that humans put out, can influence climate change. On Hawaii, environmental protection law says that no factory should put out more than 500 tons of sulfur dioxide per year, and a typical value for Kilauea is 2,000 tons of sulfur dioxide per day. So then you can melt it very quickly, and then the ground underneath there can start to rise because it's too far down. If it melts slowly, then it can kind of go slowly, right? It's like when you lie on your mattress on your bed, and you get up, and the mattress has the shape of you, right? And it comes back, pushes back. The same thing happens with the Earth. And because the magma underneath the crust pushes back up. So when you have that, then maybe you can have an eruption because of the pushing of the magma back up to refill the area where the glacier left.
火山喷发，地球暖化，飓风来袭，成了连锁效应。当气候越来越暖，喷发越来越频繁，6500万年前火山爆发造成恐龙的灭绝事件，是否会历史重演？
Lava could come back in the next month, or never know. You never know what's going to happen.
What are you going to do? To prepare yourself, or?
There's nothing you can do against Mother Nature. That's all we're going to do, just live our life.
3个月过去，当时的岩浆已经冷却成为黑色熔岩。 但是裂缝还是冒出几百度的高温蒸汽，未知的危险可能随时再来，但生命也重回这片土地。
All dead 3 weeks ago. Brown.
Really?
And then 3 weeks it all turned green again. Everything is dead. And I told them everything looked dead here, and they come down here and they just can't believe it. I said, yeah, that's 3 weeks. You just never know where it's going to come. Never know.
You are not afraid of at all?
No.
No? Why?
If it's going to happen, it's going to happen, right? But nobody knows Mother Nature, so.
毛纳基火山海拔4000公尺，是夏威夷岛最高峰，也是当年喷发形成群岛的主要火山。如果从海底计算高度，超过1万公尺，比喜马拉雅山还要高，是全地球上最高的山脉，也是最靠近天空的地方。
这条就是通往天文台的。
经过这4天来，豪雨冲刷，路面变得非常不好。
毛纳基火山在夏威夷人心目中是神圣之地，因为海拔高，大气云雾全在脚下，也是最好的天文观测点，被称为地球通往宇宙的窗口。 目前山顶共有13座望远镜，也包括台湾中研院和美国史密松天文台合作打造的望远镜。
这几年很明显的，夏威夷的气候比较激烈一点，本来不下雪的，然后会下雪。
你在这个天文台已经10几年，从来没有遇过这么大雨吧？
印象中没有说有这么大的雨，因为今天路变得很难开。 但是现在天气非常不好，我第一次到这么大浓雾哎，水汽这么重，我也没办法做观测，根本看不出去。
如今天文台呈现一片云雾，负责的中研院陈明堂博士也开始担忧。
这边 天晴天率很高，秋的晴天率就在1年里头，它有超过300多天都是晴朗的。在山下如果说下大雨，我到这边来，事实上是看到蓝天的，
晴空万里的，
可以看到宇宙的地方。
那如果说这样的气候异常，其实对天文观测来讲，也是一个比较不利的因素了。
对，没错。那我们就怕天气，我们靠天吃饭嘛。
4206公尺高的 Mauna Kea 山顶，这里是夏威夷岛最高的火山，也是全世界人类的天文圣地。从70年代开始，在这里陆续建造了天文台，要探索宇宙的起源、星辰的秘密，甚至黑洞的真相。人类的天文科技文明不断的向前，但是我们对于我们所处的地球，却还有非常多的未解之谜。
There's still some gas coming out, which means that the lava is still fairly close to the surface. So there will be another eruption from Kilauea somewhere. We just don't know exactly when or where.
The history of people on Kilauea is not very long, right? The Hawaiians have been here for some time, over 1,000 years. Western science has been here for only 200 years. So the window of what we see that Kilauea does is very small. So you have to be very in tune with nature, right? Especially when we look at the last few weeks here, how many threats does the land offer, right? The volcano, hurricanes, earthquakes, tsunami, fire. It's a warning sign, of course, that we're unbalanced. And why are we unbalanced? This time because of people. So I think you have to be in tune with nature to survive. People are basically have their own fate in their hands. And so the extinctions that we as humans may be facing ourselves as a result of our ecosystems collapsing that sustain us is not a new thing on the planet, right? There have been many extinctions before people existed. Save the planet. It's save the humans. We happen to be the top species on the planet. And that's where responsibility comes in as well.
火山爆发曾经被视为是神对人类的愤怒，但几次工业革命下来，人类的科技成倍数的成长。现在的科学已经可以成功的预测火山爆发，然后减少伤亡。即使社区被岩浆摧毁，但冷却之后依然可以重建。只是那些在人类活动之下数量锐减的生物们，他们恐怕没有重生的机会。恐龙灭绝是因为火山爆发。或许我们人类对其他的物种而言，已经成了另一种类型的火山。只是当多数的生物都灭绝了，当生态链崩解了，人类还能存在吗？